lọ kò sí ṣòro fún yín o. Dansia mama ẹ jíjó ọmọ màmá o ẹ ò ní ṣubú mọ́ mi o.
Hello. Good afternoon, Mr. On behalf of the children of Chief Mrs. Oluwatolade and the entire family, I want to welcome us all to this gathering. It's a day we must give thanks to God, because when you reflect and look back, we have cause and process on God. Some were born, some were not even born at all. They had a pregnancy and it was terminated. Some were born and died the same day they were born. Many were born, they never saw their first birthday. Many saw the first, never to see the 5th, nor the 10th, nor the 20th, 30th, nor 30th. So if you are in around 60 years, still very young, but you must give glory to God. And that's exactly what we are doing today. This is a COVID party. And that's why the attendance is this large. We would have given this woman the biggest party. I would have given my wife the biggest party you have never seen in Nigeria. And I met it. But two things happened. The popular one is COVID-19. The one I will divulge is my wife, who will not even want this one at all. She would not want any celebration at all. And I said no. I called the boys and the girls, and they said, well, as far as they were concerned, this woman must be celebrated at her 68th, no matter how small. And that was why we came for this party. It's meant to be a surprise party. I must say that it's been in many ways. Without necessarily letting the cat out of the bag, that it's been an experience planning this party. Start from the celebrants who must not know. You will go to the friends who you want to be there, but who also must not tell her. Then you have your own family members also who you think should be there, but you suspect that if you invite, they will tell her. So many groups of people, and yet you wanted to do surprise party. If I tell you how many kilometers I've done today on this party, you will wonder, because it was part of the only way it happened. Now everything was said. The children have planned the party, they've done everything. So how do you get everyone to attend? We were to look for a hall, and somebody said, once you take her to say, let's go to, she will suspect. We were to say in the hotel somewhere, two of us, and I said, well, somehow, we don't do that as a matter of policy. My wife would hardly, she would only appreciate it if you are outside of this place. She would not want you to be in Lagos and go to hotel. So how do you now say, for this occasion, no, let's go to hotel? How do you get this woman to cooperate? And my fear was, I know her very well, she could run away. You know, in those days when you were having a wedding, traditionally, that night, you will hear that Okoyawo will have to run away. This woman could run away. And if she did that, then I will have failed. So how best do we ensure that everything is in place? I read my prayer. I consulted, I prayed. And an idea came from my daughter. We have a family friend who lost somebody some time ago, and who we should have seated second time or third time, we have not been able to. She said, Daddy, take her to that place. That's a place she will not say she won't go. I said, well, that's the first leg of it. Thank you. Okay, she said, I will fix that one. We shall be going to Oka with her from there. And I'm really, I have a meeting tomorrow in my church. She was close off. I said, we'll go to Oka. I will tell her, we left our friend's place, and how do I deliver this thing? No. I had to think of what to do. I had to pretend I forgot a file at all. The file for the meeting, without which the meeting would not hold. And that was how we went round till we quickly came here. Let me thank everybody here for very many reasons. One, for being here, we thank you very much. For keeping our secrets. I cannot thank you enough. Here, I thank Elijah Yedayo. This is one of the Kupists. I will soon call out the Kupists to show their faces. But Elijah did a wonderful role because they are so close that I could not imagine she could hold it to herself. Maybe she did that for the tradition. Just a few months ago, it was her turn, 60th also. And we were there, just like this, surprise party for her. Please put your hands together for Elijah. Surprisingly, there were leakages, there were semi-leakages. And we are from very close people too. I will embarrass somebody here because he never knew, I knew, that he nearly gave out the deal. And that's my very personal friend, a friend of over 50 years, a classmate, a top man, a man whose name I'm sure will ring a bell to many of us here, a man you least expected to leak his secrets. But you know, when you have taken 5 bottles, there's no way about it. You will not talk. And that's my good friend, Professor Omonolu Choyombo. Here he is. Last week was his son's wedding, and we were there. It was there, I hinted him to say, it's happy your birthday. I would not tell him. I sent to him the same message, which said, keep a secret. I think, having taken 3 or 4 bottles, she said, well, I'm done this week. I had to look for how do I tell this one as this one food. And it's hearing from a very close friend who believe it, but I find a way around it, say, don't mind Tom. Tom was drunk, he was talking rubbish. And as if to confirm that, up till 9:30 or so this morning, when we left this house, there was no single chair here, no single table, nothing was here. If anything, cash for party. So it's like if this man says something, they are going to the house. Meanwhile, no preparation, nothing was happening. Meanwhile, we are going out, we are traveling to that. So maybe this man was actually drunk. But we thank you. I thank you because what you did put us on the spot. We then change strategies. Later, gentlemen, I can talk. You know, I was once a teacher, so I can talk about it. It's not a day for talking. It's a day to appreciate my wife of close to 40 years, the mother of my 5 children. The one and only Osibale of Ijebu Christians, I can talk for a whole day, a whole week, a whole month about her. But I will not do that today. I will leave that to who here to do. All I can say is that we thank God for you, Lord Kemi. I love you so much. You'll be a wonderful wife, a wonderful mother. In the 40 years, nobody has ever had cause to come and say, close your again. It does not mean we don't disagree. But we disagree a lot. In other words, timing. Like today now, I was already getting annoyed. So Amy here, you went in to paint face, that took 1 hour. It's too long for me. You come out and let's do party. Otherwise, it's been a peaceful home. It's been a blessed home. She's been a blessing to us as a family. She's been a blessing to me personally as a husband. Kevin, I thank you for the love. I assure you, I am not going to. I also assure you, some people felt there was no point having parties. And I said, me, I will do parties till I die. My prayer is that a day of my death, let me be at the party. It was a party. We do that for 2 reasons. To thank God, because it's only God who does it. And 2 is that you never know when your time is up. If I refuse to do my 68th, 78th, who says I will see it? So celebrate every day in spite of COVID. Let us celebrate. Let us rejoice. Let us thank God. Many have gone. We lost friends. We lost close people to COVID. But life must continue. Ladies and gentlemen, let me not bother you with talking. Let me welcome you most graciously and thank you for coming. The children have assured me it's a party. And only my role I've delivered is to see how this party will hold without so much ages. Am I failed? Have I done my role? Yeah. But they have told me, they have assured me, enough food, enough drinks, enough music, enough benefits. Please enjoy yourself and you are most welcome. Thank you and God bless. And my friends, people are so many there, I can't go around everybody. So let me in groups thank my friends, Professor Professor Arawi, and Chief Kenny Taiwo, my classmates from secondary school 50 years ago. I have here also my family members. They are stayed there. We have a family there. They are stayed there. That's the Bolade Amonion family. They are all here. Thank you for coming. I have friends of my wife. If this party, if we were to do a normal party, we will have invited all of them, many of them. But trying to manage COVID, trying to manage information, trying to limit the number of years number of eyes that will see it, and so on. But we brought a few of them, and I'm happy and thank you for coming. They are the Yalojas. If you go to Kota and you don't see this woman, you have not gone to Kota. If you go to Kota where they sell those things, women, and you have not seen this woman here, then you have not been to Kota in Lagos. Thank you, Mas, for coming. Thank you. Alaja, thank you. I will not mention all the names. Madam, thank you very much and you're welcome. Of course, on this table, I have people without whom my life will not complete. They are the people I see daily or we see regularly. These are our neighbors in Goshen Beach Estate. I have here the president emeritus, the chairman emeritus himself. Mr. Emiko is here. I have the elders, I have the madams. The estate is well represented. They were off being here, but we try not to invite everybody. Thank you for coming. I have my in-laws also here. I have Baba here. Baba Justice Ishola. My friend he's been more of a friend than an in-law. Anytime we have anything doing, anytime we have something doing, even if you don't tell me, I will be there. And thank you, Daddy, for coming, even though I'm here to see you. I have here also my bros. Now, when I call your bros, you get up. Their bros, get up. Okay, let their bros get up. Their bros, get up. All their bros here, stand up. All their bros, yeah, stand up. These are my bros. They make life very comfortable for me. Mr. Larry Ojobi is a retired first banker. This one, for those of you who are tired of putting your money in the bank, it's not the time to put money in the bank. Invest your money. Just call him. He's an investment banker. He's into stock, he's into all those things, and your money will be safe. Thank you for coming. Thank you. You have my sister here. I can't. There's a saying. They will say all protocols observed, and I say no. All protocols observed except this one. This one was been announced specially. That's my dear sister, Mrs. Oloyemisi Lawson. Many of the people here will know her very well. I don't think she is multi-solution. In any event, those who don't know her, I was the one who handed her over to this man here, this young boy here. This young boy at 76. I'm sure you don't believe it. This man is 76 if he was time. Oh, that's my, thank you, Yabi. God bless you. Mr. Young, thank you. Thank you all for coming. Let me not make it it's Tuesday, otherwise we will talk and talk and talk. I've called you. I've called you. Eh? Well, like I said, it's not a speech debating today. I just couldn't keep a talk. At this point, I want to thank you all for coming. Please relax, enjoy the little we can provide, and if you need anything, call any of the service boys and girls. Thank you for coming, and God bless you all.
Ó bá darúgbó ẹ ṣe 120 màmá nínú owó pẹ̀lú ayọ̀ ẹ máa gbádùn lọ kò sí ìṣòro fún yín ó yá dáńsíá màmá.